Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send stickers on WhatsApp. So actually it is very easy. First of all, we need to open the WhatsApp and choose the chat where we want to send some stickers. So for example, I'll go with a chat with a human, and if I want to send sticker to a human, I need to simply click on the sticker button just next to the camera button in the bottom side of the screen. Here it is. And now you will see all the stickers you have added to your account. So as you can see, if you scroll the bar in the bottom, you will find some stickers if you want. And to send the sticker, you need to simply tap on it and it will be sent. If you want to add some more stickers, you can just simply click on the plus sign in the bottom right corner, and you will have some sticker packs available to download to your account. So for example, I want to add this bear, so I need to click on the plus sign, and as you can see, now it is loaded. Now I can go back, and as you can see, now I have this sticker pack and I can use it also. But if you want, you can always add your own sticker clicking on this clock button in the bottom left corner and clicking on the create just right here. So you can create your own sticker from your photo. So for example, I'll choose the photo of my cat. As you can see, it crops the picture automatically, but I don't want to crop this picture, so I choose the full picture. I can add some text if I want, some lines if I want, but I don't mind. So I'll just simply click on the send button in the bottom right corner, and the sticker with my cat will be loaded and sent to the human also. And basically that is it. That is how you can send stickers on WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.